welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today's video is a little different one. It's not going to be a regular recipe video. Instead, I'm going to show you my oven as well as the products I use for baking. Most of you will be a little hesitant to get started with baking. So definitely this video is for you. So let's get started. So this is my oven. It's from ISB brand. This is a combination oven. You can use this to microwave, to bake and to grill. You also have a few food options that you can go with. I'll make another detailed video more about my oven, its usage and the products I got along. So now let's begin with the products. The very first and important product every baker should have is your hand blender. You get two types of whisk along with this product. One set is to beat and the other set is to knead. A very useful product. Next, the mixing bowl. I have a set of 3 Borosil mixing bowls in different sizes. This is microwave safe, so you can use this for heating purpose as well. Next comes the cake tray. I have a set of 3 cake trays. I'm showing you the biggest of all the 3. This product is very useful and it has a locking system and it's super easy to demold the cake. Then comes the baking tray. The baking tray came along with my oven, so you can make muffins, cookies, biscuits using this baking tray. Bread loaf tray. This type of tray is very useful as it doesn't stick to the edges. I not only use this when I'm baking a bread but also as a mold for Mysore pak or pudding. So definitely a very useful product. Then comes the cupcake molds. I have silicone cupcake molds. It's reusable and easy to wash. You can also line it with the paper molds before baking. Chocolate mold. This is again a silicone mold. Give it a slight press from the back and your chocolate will easily pop up. It's a good product. Turntable. This is a must for all. Super friendly when you're decorating a cake. You can place a cake paper stand before placing your cake. Piping bag. I'm using a reusable piping bag. Place it in a mug and then start filling the icing. You can remove the top to change the desired nozzle. It's very easy to wash, so a good product. Nozzle. I have a set of 12 nozzles to decorate my cake. You can play around with many designs when you have a good collection of nozzles. Icing shaper. I have a set of 3 shaper. One is to level the sides. The second one is to level the cake top. The third one is to pick up a piece of cake. You can use 2 together to pick up a full cake. Sieve. This is a must for all beginners. I'm using this type of sieve. You get 3 trays with different hole size along with this product. The best thing I like about this product is it doesn't make your place messy. Measuring jar. This is again a must for bakers. Your recipe is going to turn out best only when you measure ingredients right. This measuring jar has measures in cups, milliliter and ounce. Measuring cups. This is again useful when you measure many number of ingredients in different measures. Measuring spoon. I have a set of 6 measuring spoons. 1 tablespoon, half tablespoon, a teaspoon, half teaspoon, quarter teaspoon and 1/8 teaspoon. Whisk. Easy to mix the dry ingredients and also at times helps to mix your batter and make it lump free. Spatula. Very useful product to fold and cut your cake batter. This is a silicone spatula, so they are flexible. Pastry brush. Easy to spread butter or ghee in a tawa or to brush your buns or pastries. Pizza cutter. Definitely yes when you make pizzas. Very sharp and cuts through perfectly. Yolk separator. For most of the baking recipes, you'll need the yolk separated. Most of you will face difficulties in this. This product is for you. Crack in an egg and your yolk will stay in and your egg white will flow down through the gaps. Butter paper. You will need this when you bake. You can line this when you make cookies. Cling wrap. You'll need this when you make cookies. You need to refrigerate the cookie dough for a few hours, so you can wrap the dough in this cling wrap and then refrigerate. Cookie cutter. I have 4 shapes with each 3 different sizes. Very easy to make shapes. You can also use this when you make smileys or donuts. Finally comes the food color. This is definitely a no to those who bake for kids. I use this only when I record a video. I have a set of 10 colors. So these are the products you need to have before you start baking. Hope this video was helpful for beginners. Let me know your comments. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. To a bowl, I've taken 5 egg whites, blend it well using a hand blender. Start adding 3/4 cup of sugar little at a time and continue blending. We're looking for a stiff peak consistency. It's been 5 minutes now. We have the perfect stiff peak consistency. Now divide the egg white content into 3 portions and add them into 3 different bowls. Add green food coloring to the first one, blue to the second one, purple to the third one. You can mix blue and red to get purple color. Mix the content well and make sure the color is well mixed with the egg mixture. Now to a piping bag, add 1 scoop of purple, then blue, then green. Continue adding all the colors in the same pattern until you're done with all. Now to a baking tray, form any shape of your wish. Today I'm going to make peaks. You'll get all the 3 colors in every cookie you pipe. We're done with the piping, so let's bake at 110 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes. Now your super delicious, colorful mermaid meringue cookie is ready to serve. Enjoy it with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.